I believe in taking care of myself, a balanced diet, and a rigorous knife skills routine. In the morning, if my mask is a little puffy, I'll put on an eye hydrogel mask that I keep in the fridge while practicing julienne cuts. I can slice 1,000 carrots now. While I keep my under eye mask, I use my favorite Oishya knife to prepare my morning green juice cleanse. In the kitchen, I use a water-activated bamboo brush for knife cleaning, then a Japanese whetstone for sharpening. It calms me down. Then, I go to work. After work, I drop dead, but I make sure to go to the gym. And this is how you remind me. Okay, I may not know how to sing, but I can cut damn good. When I'm back, I apply fresh cucumber slices to my mask, which I leave on for 10 minutes while I prepare my protein shake. I always use organic vegetables with little or no pesticides because chemicals make your skin look bad. Then, an antioxidant smoothie, followed by a final precision-cut salad and my favorite movie. But there is no real face under this mask, only an entity, something illusory. And though you can sense my breath on your back and feel the precision in every slice, I simply am not there.